This is treatment-free beekeeping, where we talk about the steps you can take or what it's like to try to keep bees treatment-free. From the beginning to hopefully a successful end, we'll go through the process as we experience it in our life on Wildflower Bee Farm. This is treatment-free beekeeping. Let's get started. Welcome. So it's October 19th today as I record this, and I've got the camera here on the Survivor Hive 55B. It's never been treated, and you can see what I'm going to do is run. It's about 5 minutes. If you go to our YouTube channel, you see a drone there being hounded by a bee. This was Purge Day. So another one coming out with a bee attached. This is October 18th. It seemed like it was Purge Day. I spent a great deal of time watching our entrances, and I know this was the first day I saw significant purging happening, meaning the drones were being kicked out. So in this version, or killed is a better way to say it, in this version of the podcast or the YouTube channel, there goes one just flying out. I stood there and I was amazed. I'm going to talk about this and what I think is going on and why this. It's a trigger date because it was across the hives. As you know, we have Vosker cameras everywhere, so there's another one getting dragged out. Look there's two bees on that guy. And what I noticed as I stood by the hive, and it wasn't obvious on the audio of the camera, so I took it off. So what I did is I sort of stood there and listened, and it was quite incredible to just listen to what was going on to the bees. In other words, they were just, the drones were almost begging to be let back in. And to me, that was quite incredible to stand there and listen. And then you can see another drone there. Now remember, when the drones are out trying to hook up with queens and they get tired, they can go to any hive they want and get replenished. They're accepted with open arms. So they may have remembered this one, or somehow there's a wasp sort of moving along there. So the question is, why October 18th? And here's my theory, and you may have your own, but let me just go through what I'm thinking here. So remember, the drones have two reasons for being around the hive as far as we know so far. One has to do with the obvious, flying out and going to a drone congregation area. Boy, there's a drone getting taken down by 3 or 4. And mating with queens, and only the strongest can do that. So the drones that come back in the spring and summer are the drones that didn't make it, because we know once they do make it, they die if they mate with the queen. The second function of a drone is HVAC, basically heating and cooling. That the drones are allowed to remain because they provide a heating and cooling type of function to the hive until they consume more than their value. And I don't know for the life of me how bees figure that out. It may have to do with the nights cooling enough so they know that any bee they purge today or on October 18th is dead today because of the cold nights, or they'll be eaten by some other insect or animal. But the other thing is they'll try to sneak into other hives. We have 14 hives on the farm now, and to try to sneak in and live another day, but it's highly doubtful given what's going on around the farm today that will happen. So I believe that because the drones were going out in September to the congregation areas as if there was nothing, it was like they were still hatching, they were going out, they were doing their orientation flights and so on, even though there was no functional reason unless there's the odd queen that might need to be mated that was a late replacement for a queen that was failing. So they're like an insurance policy. But I really think that this was triggered by the cold nights and also the hives realizing, the alpha bees, if you will, realizing that they no longer are needed for heating and cooling. So that's my theory on Drone Purge Day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're listening, please go to our YouTube channel, Treatment Free Beekeeping Canada. Sign up, subscribe, and watch this in complete video. Have an amazing day.